Now, from our D.C. Bureau, legislation was introduced today in Congress that would lower prescription drug prices for Americans struggling with skyrocketing costs.
Washington correspondent Morgan Wright reports whether these two parties can agree on a plan.
On Capitol Hill, lawmakers are taking up the fight to lower prescription drug costs for Americans.
Let's cut prices for patients instead of patients having to cut pills.
Lawmakers say the high cost of prescription drugs is the top health care concern facing our nation.
Been growing their price at about 10 times the rate of inflation.
Texas Congressman Lloyd Doggett reintroduced legislation with Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown, which would lower prescription drug prices by allowing Medicare to negotiate on behalf of seniors.
This is an easy-to-explain, direct way of bringing prices down.
If these drug companies won't negotiate in good faith, we will permit the Secretary to license generics to bring them in, to have competition bring the price down.
Price negotiation is like market economics.
Lawmakers may have an ally in President Trump on lowering the cost of prescription drugs. He addressed the issue in his State of the Union speech.
Next major priority for me and for all of us should be to lower the cost of health care and prescription drugs.
Senator Brown wants the president's words to be followed through with action.
And we will hope that the president throws in on the right side of this consumer issue.
In Washington, Morgan Wright.
Now, Wisconsin Senator Tammy Baldwin was a part of this bill to allow Medicare to negotiate lower drug costs. She sent out a statement which reads, "We have a broken system in Washington that prohibits the federal government from negotiating lower prescription drug prices for older Wisconsinites. We need to fix this and provide seniors a better deal on prescription drug costs. Let's allow the government to negotiate directly with drug companies so we can lower costs for seniors and save taxpayers money."